I need a shot. I need a shot of Fireball.
I just had one.
You just had one? Well, I need two.
I gargled with it.
You gargled with
My
it.
throat since I was talking so much.
That's cough syrup right there, man.
Yeah.
You're recording?
Yeah, so we're gonna have some Fireball right here, guys.
On the Psycho Killer register.
On the Psycho Killer. Right here, look at that. Psycho Killer register and Fireball. Just to let you know, it don't mix, but we said fuck it, we're gonna do it anyway.
We're here to party.
It's not a party without the Fireball. All right, Fireball time, guys. Bandera Texas 2024. Cheers. Fireball time, guys. The party's starting
Right here.
with Psycho Killer.
Lighter in the hill country.
White chocolate in the house.
Eli and Michelle are home state.
That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
Everything's big in Texas. Biker games are about to start here in Bandera, Texas, guys. Right over here. So let's see what's going to happen with the biker games. We actually got bull riding over here too. And I haven't seen any takers. We're going to find out. They got the mechanical bull too. So we don't have any takers over here yet. But wait till they get liquored up. And they'll be spinning around on this thing right here, guys. Yeah, wait till they get drunk, because they're gonna be having fun on this mechanical bull right here. I don't know, would you guys do it?
I don't know about that peanut tank though. I don't even think that'd get you to San Antonio.
It was great.
We're still waiting for the biker games to start, but we got tons of bikes in here today. It's a Saturday, it's beautiful. Look at this blue skies, it's sunny. It's probably like 75 degrees. Absolutely beautiful here, guys. We couldn't have predicted this with Daytona and all the rain that we had on and off over there. I'm just glad to have finally a Saturday where there's no rain, right? Final two for the slow race right here, guys. These guys, let's see who's the champion right now.
Oh, let's go and cheer them on. Come
on. Champion right here.
All right.
Right there. Slow race right there. So he's the winner of the slow race, and now we got the keg row is coming up, guys. Keg row. All right, they're getting out the kegs right here, guys. Keg row is next. Hey, got away.
There you go.
He's the winner of the slow race. He might win the keg race too.
All right, let's switch
The keg roll.
Go. Oh, what's happening? Right on.
Eh.
See, now they can't say that's the best lap, right? Because we got a winner on this. He went out.
Out of bounds.
He's good there.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
I didn't see it.
Blue hair guy wins.
How many drinks did you have to?
All right, back inside, guys. I showed you guys a little bit about the biker games right here. They have the keg roll, the slow racing, and then they got the hot dog one. Everybody knows the hot dog one. So, but no signal. As the signal's really, really bad. But nobody's in our booth. Everybody's out there at the biker games. So, Bandera has turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful rally this year. Weather is awesome. People always coming and visiting us here every year. And I just want to send a shout out to all our friends that have came by, stopped by, visiting us here. And it's another great rally, guys, another successful rally for us. We love coming into these rallies, you know. Talk to you guys about campground rallies. They are the best because it's more about the people, right? It's not commercialized. I keep saying, no offense to the bigger rallies, but the smaller venues, you're more in touch with the people and friends. They're closer to home and they're easier on the pockets. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here, but thank you for watching. And I hope that you get to come and join us one year here in Bandera. 3 Twisted Sisters, beautiful riding through the hill country. So I hope you guys really get to put it on your bucket list. Even if you can't make it during the rally, it's totally fine. Make sure you come out here, ride the 3 Twisted Sisters. Look them up. 3 Twisted Sisters, Bandera, Texas. You'll find it. And we'll see you soon. And our next rally, just to let you know, Cajun Harley Davidson in a few weeks. And then, yes, Eureka Springs. We are going to be back at Eureka Springs for the Spring Fling. Guys, hope to see you guys soon. So you guys take care. God bless. And everybody ride safe. Peace.
God bless Texas.